Hey guys, Nick here with Gear Nut, and if you're like me, you like to make your tools last as long as possible. You try to fix them when there's an issue. Example, on and off switch modification. That's not what this video is about. This video is about using 3D printers to fix things on the cheap. So, when I was emptying this bad boy out, I realized I had some impact marks on this filter. These HEPA filters are super expensive. So I was like, what? There was supposed to be a deflector inside of here. And lo and behold, I threw it away. Oh my goodness. So got on the internet, looked, and it's $20 for the deflector that goes right in here or into the bag. And I was like, yeah, let's see if I can't make something for that. But before I made it, my wife is like, check Thingiverse. And I tell you what, I'll put a link to the guy that actually designed this in the description box below. But he actually made a ShopVac deflector. I'll put the part number down below as well. Hopefully this helps you guys out, because this is a $20 part and it's like $1 to print. So if you know somebody with a 3D printer, ask if they'll print one of these for you. So this thing slides right down and in. Let's see if I can do this without knocking stuff over. Picture perfect fit. And then the hose, check this out, slides right on and in. So if you're like me and you accidentally threw away your, I think it's like a debris or dust deflector, and then you're getting a bunch of impact marks on your actual ShopVac filters, this is going to save that filter and make it last a lot longer. So check Thingiverse, see if this works for you. I was going to sit down and design and build one and then print it, and didn't even have to. So big thank you to the guy that did that and made that print available on Thingiverse. I think it was like 5 hours and like $1 in plastic. And back in business. If I throw this one away, it's in orange, so I don't throw it away. But if I do throw this one away, I got the file saved. I can just print another one, and I'm just out 5 hours. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys have fixed anything with a 3D printer, let me know, comment section below. I'd love to hear it. And looks like I need to get back to work since the ShopVac's up and running. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll check you guys later.